All right, listen up because I'm about to save you from tool overload syndrome. You know what I'm talking about? 10 different subscriptions, 47 browser tabs open, and still forgetting to follow up with leads. Sound familiar? Well, today I'm going to walk you through GoHighLevel, the all in one marketing platform that'll make your business run smoother than a greased up slip and slide. And by the end of the video, you'll have your first automation set up so you can stop chasing leads like an unpaid intern. So let's get right into it. My name is Stacia Kennedy. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. So, what is GoHighLevel? Well, and why do you need it here in 2025? If you have, I don't know if you've ever heard of death by software. That's what's happening when you've got ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, and 12 other apps fighting for your wallet. GoHighLevel actually replaces all of them. I've actually helped a client save over $10,000 worth of subscriptions, and GoHighLevel actually replaces all of them in one. You have a customer relationship management tool, an automations, funnel builder, SMS marketing, a booking calendar system, you name it. If you're teaching a course, you can also house your trainings and your courses type things. And you can also have a community. There's like so much more. So it's like hiring an entire sales team as well, because you have AI component as well, but we're going to keep it simple today, except it doesn't call in sick like a bad intern or an employee, right? So this is actually working for you 24/7, and I'm going to share with you how to get started. Let's get right into it. The link in the description or right here if you want to go to staciakennedy.com right now and grab my link. I will also give you the exact tutorials I have as a bonus. If you sign up with my link, go to staciakennedy.com. You're going to go to GoHighLevel and get your 30-day free trial. So if you, work with anybody else or grab an affiliate link from someone else, most of them have a 14-day trial. I actually have a 30-day trial that you can utilize. And if you have no money right now, that's all right. You can just, grab the free trial right now, because I know you need a sample, right? So you need to actually know how to use this system. So number one, you're going to create your account. And of course, shameless plug, right? You're going to use that link. And again, you're going to get a lot of bonuses by using my link in particular. We also have weekly coaching calls, and you can ask me anything. All right. So number two, once you sign up for GoHighLevel, you can actually set up your account, and I go through step by step how to set it all up. But you're going to set up your customer relationship management tool and your pipelines. Think of pipelines like a dating app for your leads, basically. So except instead of ghosting you, they actually move through the process to buy something. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to set up your leads so that once they come in, they go into your sales pipeline, they go into the lead stage, new lead stage, contacted, booked appointment call, or closed deals. That's what I like. I want to see some closed deals. So actually, let me go ahead and show you the inside and give you a little bit of a walkthrough so you can see what those pipelines look like. So you're going to go over here to this window, share this tab. You can see my screen, comment below, and let me make it bigger so you can see here. All right, so let me see if I can move my picture again. Oops, let's see here. How do I move my picture? Okay, so here is my white label version of HighLevel. So you can see my little like G for my Got Funnels logo there. But this is the dashboard, or actually the launchpad section where you connect all of your features. Then you're going to go into the dashboard here. And what I was just about to talk about was the sales pipeline. So what you're going to do is go to opportunities, and in opportunities, you're going to go to pipelines. I actually have multiple pipelines, but we're going to pick one so that you can check out the demo here. So the first stage, like I was saying, is a new lead, and I have my demo contact here. And then you can move them through the stages. So once you sent them their first message, or when you drop them in here, you can have an automation that sends them the first message. If not, move the lead through. When they book a call, it'll actually automatically move to booked call. If they don't show up, you can also hit a button where they get another message for no show or rescheduling, or if you need to follow up. So there is a whole system here that you can create so you never lose a lead. And so that the faster, like we always say, the faster the first one who gets to the lead the fastest is the one who wins. And so you can track the way your lead goes through your pipeline and increase your conversion rates. Step 3, you're going to build out your first funnel and connect it. So all you're going to do is go to sites, and I have a ton of funnels already, but you can actually go to new funnel and start one from scratch, or you can use a lot of their templates here. Or I just did another video where you can actually have funnel AI build out exactly a funnel for you. You just type in like what industry you're in and what the intention of that funnel that you want to create, whether it's generating leads or more, or booking appointments or other categories of like what you want that funnel to do, or even like the tone of voice too. So it's really fun. Watch that other video that I show you exactly how to do that within seconds. So, but let me show you for now the templates. There's so many different ones from different categories and industry. If you're a coach, if you're a in the financial industry, health and wellness, you can pick a category and pick the type of funnel that you're looking for, and you can use any of these templates. You might be like, oh, it looks kind of messed up, but like some of them are really, really good. And some of them you can just literally make it look better by just changing out the photos. So they might look a little weird at first, but with a little finessing and adding photos, you can make a template look really good. Okay. Funnels are going to be like a money machine. So when someone opts in to your funnel and a lead comes through, you're going to go through a sequence and bam, money comes out. Okay. Well, sometimes, but I'll make sure that yours does. Okay. Like many of my other clients. So step 4, we're going to talk about automations. Automations are going to make you be the follow-up boss. All right. So here's where the magic comes in. Automations here is where the workflows happen. So another word for automation is workflow. And when you click on workflow, you can click on select a recipe here, and you can clone any of these already recipes that are pretty frequently used, right? So you can also connect your Facebook and Instagram and basically replace ManyChat. So another software tool that I've replaced in my toolbox is ManyChat. You can actually have follow-up messages through your social media. You can set up email drip sequence. So when someone comes in, they automatically follows up with your leads. And then if they open or not open, they can go through another sequence where you send them another email with a different subject line. You can also use IVR workflows where you can integrate your phone system or buy a phone number through the system as well, and then it can pass the call to different team members. So press 1 for the marketing department, press 2 for sales, things like that. Fast 5, which is one of the first automations that I really love. Again, it's like when someone opts in, you can actually get a call right away. It's like it actually calls you and says, hey, you got a new lead. And then you can decide whether you want to pick it up or not. So there's a ton of automations here that you can set up and set it and forget it. Literally, you can even charge people to do this if you decide to set this up as an agency. You can set these things up, automatic reminders when someone books a call. You have Google My Business messaging, Facebook Messenger, a no-show, a nurture. I can go on. Birthday template. The follow-up is like cloning yourself, except way less expensive, and it doesn't require coffee, even though I sound like I'm on it right now. But pro tip, personalization is king. So I have some other bonuses too that when someone opts in. If you decide to book a call with me, you can see some of my automations, and personalizing them is something I love to do as well. So if you want your leads to actually respond to you, and it doesn't sound like a robot, because some of them do, and I get it that you're concerned about the AIs taking over and things like that, and the personal not being so personalized, but that's why you work with me, and I show you how not to do that. You can use custom values inside of GoHighLevel so that your texts feel human, unless you want to sound like an AI chatbot from 2011. So don't want to do that. You want to take advantage of my coaching and training. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below here. And I forgot that ticker was on. But that's where you go, staciakennedy.com, and grab my free training, grab my bonuses, join my Q&A call weekly, and ask me anything. And I just know that you want this in your life. I promise. Use my link below. I'll again throw in all my bonuses. Make sure that you're set up faster than your competition because they're already on it. Click on the link, sign up now, and I'll take care of the rest. If you have any questions, let me know where to find me. Again, GoHighLevel setup. Those are the 3 things that you want to set up. Or actually, the 4 things that you want to. So first, you want to wrap this up again. Create your account, set up your CRM and pipelines, build your first funnel and connect it. And last but not least, set up your automations. All right. So there's some basic ones that you want to do. If you want my checklist for all of this too, that's in the training. Make sure to go and get your trial right now. All right. It's 2025. This is how you and why you're going to need GoHighLevel so that you can secure the bag. All right. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Much love and aloha.